Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert multiple radio buttons in your fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select form option this menu bar and here you will find this radio button option. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor and draw a radio button and copy it and say this radio button name and this one and all of them name are the same. Now select home option and click on this radio button and say this radio button now working. All of the radio button name should be same or it will not work. And say this and properties. If I say this radio button name like 3 and this one 2 and this one 1 and say this all of them name are different and select home option. Now select hand and say this and not working. Okay, again select all of them, make them similar name on this one. Now select hand option and see this now working. In this way you can make radio button on your fillable PDF form and also you can align and make them same size. Align here horizontally and both of them are same size and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.